Why do you need to keep your money in liquid form of assets like cash or liquid mutual funds? Basically, cash is all about having some extra funds in hand for any other opportunity or emergency. And how much do you need for either, we are going to discuss now. Go right now, click on the link in the description below and register for our course Namaste Money. Holding your cash is not considered as an investment because it is not generating any returns for you, but it comes in handy in case of emergencies. Now, the first question that would come up in your mind is, how much money should I keep aside for emergency purposes? Well, you need to keep aside 3 to 6 times of your monthly expenses as an emergency fund. Well, this amount can be kept aside in your fixed deposits or liquid mutual funds. This has to be kept aside in very liquid and easy to access assets like FDs, liquid mutual funds, or saving bank balance, so that if an emergency arises, you can access this money immediately. That's the whole point of emergency fund. Once you have such an emergency fund set, you can then invest confidently in other asset classes, manage the risk of investing in those asset classes, because you know if any emergency comes in your life, you have an emergency fund and the money from that emergency fund can be used. Where emergency fund is a must-have for everyone, another use of cash is for seasoned investors. So basically, when you obtain some experience in investing, you know that waiting for good opportunities is a right move. And when you have become a seasoned investor, you can keep aside some of your money in liquid assets, waiting for that right investment opportunity. Even as business owners, you can keep aside some cash, for investing your money in that next plant, project, store, or buying that stock. It really depends on how mature an investor you've become that you start holding on to your cash for that right time or an opportunity to invest your money. We hope that you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed it creating for you. So what are you waiting for? Go right now, click on the link in the description below and register for our course Namaste Money, which is an online course on A to Z of personal finance. You will learn everything from your asset classes to how to invest in them and make your own financial plan. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for freshly brewed content from Wealth Cafe. Lastly, don't forget, save hard and invest smart.